Hi guys, in this video I'll be going over my college decision results, my stats, and also the college I ended up choosing. So I applied to 21 colleges, 18 of which were reaches, and then 3 of them were matches. So my reaches were
USC, Johns Hopkins, UCLA, Pomona College, Harvey Mudd, Pitzer College, Rice University, Claremont McKenna, Columbia, Princeton, Harvard, Brown, Yale, Cornell, UPenn, UC Berkeley, Stanford, and Duke University.
and then my matches were UC Irvine, UC San Diego, and UC Santa Barbara. And for all of these schools I applied as a biology major. And just some quick stats, I took the SAT and got a 1480. 740 on each of the sections, and then my GPA was a 3.9 unweighted and a 4.14 weighted, and I took 3 subject tests and got a 730 on Bio E, 710 on literature, and then 700 on math too. And I took 4 AP exams. There were music theory, chem, bio, and calculus, and I got a 4 on AP bio, 4 on AP calculus, a 3 on AP chemistry, and then a 2 on AP music theory. So the first college that I heard back from was USC. And I wasn't really sure what to expect because when I was filling out the applications, I was pretty confident in my chances. But then after winter break, I kind of lost that confidence. I think it was because it was one of my first applications that I submitted. But the actual result was I was accepted with a scholarship, which I did not expect in a million billion years. So that was really, really lucky. And yeah, I was just staring at my package. I opened it up on my porch. So I was just staring at the acceptance letter for like a straight 5 minutes. I was like, what? How is this possible? Yeah, I actually thought it was like maybe a mistake or something, but yeah, I hope it's not a mistake. The next college that I heard back from was Johns Hopkins University, and my prediction was that I was going to get rejected, not only because it's insanely competitive for biology, but also because I didn't really like the essay prompts, so I thought my essays weren't that great, and the actual decision was that I ended up being rejected, which was okay. It was a reach school, so I wasn't really expecting that much. And then 4 other decisions came out later that day. There was UCLA, UC San Diego, Harvey Mudd, and Pomona College. And so the first 3 I opened up were UCSD, Pomona, and UCLA. My prediction was that I was going to get into UCSD because it's a match school. And then I thought I was going to get waitlisted or rejected at Pomona. And then UCLA, I thought I might get in, so I would say maybe a waitlist acceptance, but the actual results were I got rejected from UCLA, a rejection from Pomona, and then acceptance from UCSD. And then later on, Harvey Mudd came out, and this one I knew I was gonna get rejected, not only because like also it's a reach school, but because like my math 2 score was a 700, and their 25th percentile for the math 2 subject test is a 750, I think. So that was way below their 25th percentile, so I just knew I was going to get rejected, and I also ended up getting rejected. So the next college was Pitzer, and my prediction was that I was going to get rejected, not only because it's a reach school, but also because, again, my essays weren't that great in my opinion, because the prompt was something about like 4 core values that you show, and I didn't really have good examples. I can't remember what the values were, but it was something that's like central to what it means to be a Pitzer student, I guess, so yeah, I wasn't that confident, and my actual decision was that I was rejected. So the next on my list was UC Santa Barbara, and I was pretty confident in my chances because it was a match school, and also because I liked my UC essays a lot. And then the actual result was I got accepted, so that was great. And then a couple days later, Rice and Claremont McKenna decisions came out, and my prediction for both of these were rejections because Claremont McKenna, I didn't do their optional video thingy, but whenever something's optional, it really isn't. So that's just a tip for you guys applying. And also because I wasn't like I didn't visit the campus, so writing a why Claremont McKenna essay was pretty hard for me. And the same goes for the Rice application. So yeah, and my actual decisions was that I got rejected from both of them. Next, UCI decisions came out, I think March 27th, and I was pretty confident that I would get in because it was a match school, and also because again this was the UCs all have the same essays, so since I was pretty confident in my UC essays, I thought I'd get in, but I was waitlisted. So yeah, it kind of sucked because I actually kind of liked UCI, and yeah, but it's okay. So I applied to 7 Ivies: Princeton, Harvard, Yale, Cornell, UPenn, Brown, and Columbia, and I was actually not too confident in any of them except UPenn and Cornell, just because I really like my essays for those schools. But honestly, they're Ivies, so I wasn't really expecting that much because they're like less than 8% acceptance rate for all of them. But yeah, so decisions came out, and I was actually rejected from all of them, which isn't that surprising. Just stung a little bit though, because it would have been cool to get into an Ivy. But yeah, it's okay. That was fine. And then the next decision that came out was UC Berkeley, and that was the day after. And I honestly was not expecting anything. Maybe beforehand, before all these decisions, I would have been like, okay, maybe I have a chance at Berkeley. But after getting rejected from like UCLA and all these Ivies, and I thought, okay, it's just gonna be another rejection. But I actually got accepted, which is like I didn't expect at all. Like I think the last time I got accepted was um, like when UCSD came out, so that was like a couple weeks ago, or at the time it was a couple weeks ago. But yeah, I did not expect that at all. It was really cool. The next day, Stanford decisions came out, and my prediction was that I was going to get rejected, or at best waitlisted, because I really like my essays, but Stanford's just insanely competitive, so I wasn't really expecting that much. And my actual result was that I got rejected. Lastly, we have Duke University, and the decision actually came back around March 21st, I think, but I didn't get around to checking it until the 31st. And my prediction was that I was going to get rejected, mainly because I didn't have a strong why Duke University essay, because I didn't visit the campus, similar to a couple of my other essays actually. But yeah, and then the actual decision was that I was rejected, which is fine. So in the end, I got rejected by 16 reach schools, and I got accepted to 2 of them. And then I got accepted to 2 match schools and waitlisted by one of them. So I'm really happy with my results, and I definitely recommend shotgunning, which means like applying to a bunch of universities. Definitely recommend doing that if you guys have time on your hands. But also, if you are going to do that, make sure you actually visit most of the colleges that you're applying to, just so that you can write a strong why this college essay, because I kind of struggled a lot with that. And it also, like, you'll be able to narrow down your list a tiny bit if you do actually visit the colleges. So yeah, so I ended up committing to USC for 4 reasons. The first being that it was my cheapest option, and then second being that it was close to home. Third was that I really liked the environment at USC. And then the fourth was just that Southern California is statistically proven to be better than Northern California. Alright guys, that's it for this video. For the next one, I'll be doing an analysis video of my common application essay. And then after that, I'll be doing a video of me going through the SAT reading section and answering questions to kind of show my reasoning as I go through the passages and stuff. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video.